Hello and welcome to Mid-Island Custom Diecast, Episode 1. My name's Evan. Let's take a look at this Matchbox Porsche 911 Turbo. Got some paint chips and some pretty ugly decals. Both doors are operating. And a tow hook, just in case you wanted to go take your Porsche to the dump or camping, I guess. Awfully weird thing to put on, I think. Let's get it opened up. Pop the windshield out. I think it was yellow to begin with. It's got some white powder on the inside. Just needs a really good cleaning. I'll actually take some sandpaper to it and give it a good polish and dip it in some floor shine. It came out pretty nice. We'll see that at the end. Interior is a beige color and has some spots. It'll get a paint job as well. And the base. Get a fresh coat of paint and we'll swap these wheels out. Now we'll take our 1.5 millimeter drill bit and prepare the posts for screws. Here I'll take my Dremel with the cutoff disc and grind off the tabs holding the axles in. And we'll switch to a burr tool and just get the middle of those tabs out so I can pry the axles out fairly easily at this point. Here I'm just taking a small file and widening out that channel to put some axle tubes in. Here I've got a glass pasta container with caustic soda pellets. Pour in some boiling water and we'll get this paint off. Take a small needle file here and take some of these casting lines off from pretty much front to back on each side of the car. The paint removal on the base was not as successful as the body, so here we'll take the wire wheel attachment on the Dremel and get it all out of in between all the letters and everything. And after a little bit of sanding and filing off camera, I'm going to give it a good polish. And the base will get this satin black Krylon paint. Freshen it up. Couple of light coats and it'll be looking good as new. I've already gone ahead and put the axle tubes in at this point, so here you'll see me trying not to get too much paint on the top side, inside of the chassis. The color I've chosen for this car is the Duplicolor Black Sapphire Perfect Match. Just put a light coat on at first and followed up with subsequent heavier coats. Sometimes I've got a pretty heavy finger when it comes to paint. So just trying to keep it light on this first coat. Now onto the windshield. Definitely my least favorite part of this process. We'll use Auto Sol metal polish for the first polishing round. I've already taken some sandpaper and gotten all the deep scratches out. I'm just going to put a little bit on there and rub it in with a Q-tip. Now this is after the Auto Sol. And now we're going to try a little Meguiar's Plastex polish. There it is, to finish it off. Again, I'm just going to take a little on a Q-tip and rub it in until I get the result that I'm looking for. Now we'll dip the whole thing in the Pledge Revive Floor Shine. I just wick the extra off with a little paper towel. And place it in this upside down Tupperware container. Alright, we got the window all polished up. We got the body all painted. Time to put it all back together. After I bonk my head on the camera. Oop. Off camera, I've gone ahead and painted in a little bit of the tail lights, the headlights. I took some weathering powder and colored in the front license plate, back license plate. pop the base back on over the two posts. Put the 256 button head screws. I like to use the Phillips head ones. There you can see the taillight painting. Detailing is not my best skill either, but we'll get there. And a reminder of what we started with. And what we've come to. Alright, thanks for watching my first video. Hope you subscribe, hope you like what you see, and we'll see you again next time.